In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude Sonnet to make money through AI content writing and website creation. Whether you're looking to earn some extra income or start a new career, these strategies can help you get started. First and foremost, you'll need to create a Claude account at claude.ai. This platform is central to leveraging AI for content writing. Once your account is set up, it's helpful to familiarize yourself with the basics of blog writing and search engine optimization, commonly referred to as SEO. These foundational skills are crucial for creating high-quality content that performs well online. With those essentials in hand, you're ready to start utilizing Claude. You can begin by asking Claude to write a 1,500-word SEO blog post on a topic of your choice. This AI tool is great for generating draft articles quickly, but remember, it's crucial to edit and fact-check the content thoroughly to ensure it's accurate and well-written. Building a portfolio is another important step. Create 3 to 5 sample articles. These will showcase your writing capabilities to potential clients. Next, set up profiles on freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, where you can offer your blog writing services. As you complete projects, using Claude can significantly expedite the research and drafting phases, allowing you to deliver content more efficiently. With successful deliveries, start collecting reviews from satisfied clients. They're vital for establishing your credibility. As your portfolio and reputation grow, you can gradually raise your rates to reflect your experience and the quality of your work. Now moving on to method 2. AI website creation. Begin by learning the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These coding skills will enable you to build functional and aesthetically pleasing websites. Once you're comfortable, it's time to bring Claude back into the picture. Ask Claude to help you build a responsive business website. After generating the code, test it within a code editor like VS Code to ensure everything functions properly. To hone your skills further, create personal portfolio websites. These will not only improve your proficiency, but also provide you with a professional platform to showcase your work to potential clients. Next, tap into different client sources. Besides Upwork and Fiverr, LinkedIn and local businesses can be excellent places to find clients interested in customized website solutions. By offering website creation and maintenance, you can create a steady stream of income. These structured methods can set you on the path to earning money through AI-driven content and web development. Keep practicing, refining your skills, and expanding your network, and you'll likely find success in no time. So, thanks for watching, and best of luck on your journey with Claude Sonnet.